I love trying new dishes from all over the world, and today I want to make a Bhuna chicken curry. What's Bhuna? It's a process where you cook the meat in a sauce. So first up, what we're going to do is make the Bhuna curry paste. You can use lamb, you can use chicken, and I'm using chicken today, and you will need a kg's worth. For our paste, we're going to make a double so that you can put it in a jar or a container, and you can you can freeze it and put it away, and you can let the husband make it, because all you're going to be doing is frying up the paste and putting chicken in, and it's that simple. And you can serve it with basmati rice or roti or naan bread, and you can have a side of yogurt. So let's get into this. You will need 4 small onions, and all our ingredients today is going to be going in a blender. And so I'm just going to make it, don't be fussy with it. You can just cut it so that it's easy to blend. So I'm going to do that with my onions, all of them. And you will need, you can use green or red. You will need 1 chili with the seeds in it. And I've also got some red pepper. If you don't have red pepper, you can use green. I've got 2 large peppers, and you can see it's not fussy at all. You can use the seeds, or you should use the seeds. And I've also just made it, cut it so that it fits in the blender. Of course, my 1 kg's worth of chicken. And for our liquids today, we've got 100 ml of water. We've got 200 ml of olive oil. I'm using extra virgin. And also you will need a little bit of lemon juice. I've got 1 tablespoon. For your herbs and spices, you will need 10 cloves of garlic or 5 tablespoons of crushed garlic. Yes, that's a lot of garlic, but remember, we're making a double meal, if you like. And that is 50 grams of ginger, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 teaspoons of salt, or 1 tablespoon. And then I've got here 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 heaped tablespoons of curry powder. And in the middle here, I've got 1 tablespoon of cumin powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. All of this, minus your chicken, or your meat or lamb, all of that, including your liquids, goes into your blender until it's finely blended. Look at this, guys. Isn't it a beautiful color? You can add some turmeric as well if you like. No harm done. But I'm really happy with that. That's a gorgeous color. It looks like a little bit like butter chicken. And now we are going to take half of this paste and store it away for when I want to make my husband cook. Tip. So after you've made your paste, that is the hardest thing about this curry, and that's what I love about it. For moms who work and you've had a busy day, you could just whip this up, or grab your Bhuna paste from the fridge. So now we're gonna go through the cooking method of the Bhuna curry, and I've got a pan here heating on low. And I've also got my basmati rice, because we're having it with basmati rice. So I've got my basmati rice going, and I am going to just spoon my beautiful paste into my pan. Whoa. Oh my good grief, the smell. that's about half. You know, you don't need to add any oil before you place your paste into your pan, because remember we already added water and olive oil and lemon juice before when we blended everything. So now I'm just going to let this simmer for 20 minutes on low. With my pan, or if you have a pot closed. See you soon. Okay, our Bhuna curry has been simmering for 20 minutes, and what I did was I did check on it twice, and I just stirred it, but I am cooking in a non-stick pan and nothing was catching. So now I'm going to show you what our curry looks like. So you'll see that our sauce or paste has thickened up a little bit. There you go. And now all you're going to do is add a bit of water, half a cup, and stir again. If you're using a normal pot and you find that it's catching a little bit during those 20 minutes, you can add a little bit of water there as well and turn down the heat on your stove. Or there you go. Chicken. That's 1 kg's worth of chicken, and I'm just gonna combine all of this together. Once you've stirred this and everything's well combined, I'm almost done here. You're gonna let this cook for 30 minutes and still on a low heat. You cover your pan or pot, and the chicken is just going to soak up all of that goodness. There we go. And close the pot, and that's it, almost done. Our 30 minutes are up. The house is smelling amazing, and I'm now hungry. So let's check on our Bhuna curry. There you go. Turn off your heat, sprinkle some coriander, fresh if you have it. I'm using dried, and that's it. And now I'm gonna serve this up and let you know how it tastes. Okay, I've got my basmati rice here. I've got some yogurt as a side. And I'm just gonna dollop that there, and then we're gonna serve up the Bhuna curry. Hey, doesn't that look good, guys? Okay, I'm gonna grab some yogurt, some rice, some chicken, and some of the sauce. I might need to try that again. I'm just kidding. It is different to any other curry I've had. It's mild at the start, and then as it swells around in your mouth, you get a little bit of heat. I think that's from the chili that we put into the paste. Really nice. Guys, I do hope you get to try this recipe. Please do like my video and subscribe to my channel for lots more recipes like this. See ya.